All right, so we got the boneless pork loin here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is we're gonna just fillet this open. Then we're gonna do another fillet on top of that. Fillet the bigger piece down. Boom, like that. So we're gonna have a long strip of pork loin. That's loaded out. Okay, so now you got a long strip. So now you can stuff this with anything you wanna do. I have some leftover green chili bacon mac and cheese that I'm going to stuff this with. And like I said, you can stuff this bad boy with anything you want. And I just think the mac and cheese, real cheesy in here would be amazing. So I'm gonna get it on one end like that. And we're just gonna roll. Roll, 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 boom. Like that. Got one piece down. All right, so we're gonna add some more green chili to it. So we are going to add our green chili bacon rub to the top. Season the sides. Season the whole thing down. Get some in there. Some in there. Season her up. Whew. Now you can season this with anything you want, your favorite pork rub, whatever you got. For me, I like to be different. So I'm gonna use our green chili bacon seasoning on the outside with that green chili bacon mac and cheese in the center. All right, she's seasoned up, she's stuffed with mac and cheese. Now, we all know what we gotta do next.
Here comes the bacon.
And we're gonna wrap her in bacon. So remember, cheap bacon, cheap stuff, the elastic. All right, she's all wrapped in bacon. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna season it with our Arizona Cajun rub. I like it, it's got a little kick, has a nice color once it's all smoked and cooked. So we're gonna layer it on top of the bacon. Now you can use any rub you want, but this is my favorite if you want something to really pop. Got a little heat to it. Really matches with that green chili on there. Whew. All right, I got the Green Mountain Grill fired up to 300 degrees. Let's get her on. You got this green chili bacon mac and cheese
But where
stuffed
are we?
inside of a pork loin. You tell us where we're at.
We're at the inaugural
Oh,
Whole Hog Pig Pong and Putt
oh,
Baby Jam
let's
Freedom
do it.
Festival.
Yes,
Pig
sir.
and putt.
Freedom.
G's in the
Pig,
house.
Freedom. PTG. I'm glad you showed up.
Why you look at me when you said freedom?
This is a day party.
Why you look at me when you said freedom?
All right,
We
all
all
right.
know we love
We-
our
we
freedom.
all
This is
free.
America.
Let's slice this bad. Let's slice this
Some
bad
more
boy
than
open.
others. Let's go. Look at that, baby.
Ooh.
Look at that
Ooh,
mac and
woo.
cheese. Look
Let me
at
get
hot.
that mackin'.
Yum.
All right, boys, get in there. Let me know. Get in there.
Get you a little piece
Get
of
in
that
there.
mac and cheese.
Yes.
Cheers, bro.
Cheers it up. Cheers it up. How was it?
Lost my mac and cheese.
Let's go. Get in there. Oh,
I know what Nick.
oh, we did a little hot sauce in there. Spice it up.
Put a little spice in my life. Let's go.
If y'all enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, leave a
Like,
comment,
subscribe.
all that. Follow the boys, Loot and Booty Barbecue, Fill the Grill. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss a thing.